Hello, I'm Roger Gillette from Schaeffler Service Brand Rep Expert. This is the Schaeffler Hub Bearing Assembly, product number 103143 for the 2008 through 2016 Chrysler Town & Country, 2008 through 2020 Dodge Grand Caravan, 2012 through 2015 Ram CV, and the 2009 through 2014 Volkswagen Routan. Today we are here to discuss a technical call that we regularly receive on the hotline regarding this product. The complaint is that the product does not appear to be correct due to the differences in design from the original concept. In certain applications, the original design had no internal spline. This replacement part has been redesigned to fit multiple applications consisting of both front-wheel drive and all-wheel drive vehicles by integrating an internal spline to accommodate an axle shaft for the all-wheel drive applications, as well as an orbitally formed shoulder for front-wheel drive applications. Due to this feature, no spline shaft or axle nut are necessary to secure the bearing properly on the front-wheel drive applications. So you can rest assured that the product will perform as intended. If you have any additional questions or concerns, you can reach us at any of the Rep Expert portals.